Picked this up for, I don't know, 20 bucks. All it does is hovers, but what it is, I put a nut on the front of it so it has some forward pitch. I'm gonna try and do this with my cell phone, so a little doohickey life. It's pretty cool. Let's see if I can. Try and fly with one hand. Damn it, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. Let's try it again. Oh shit. Try it again. What's one-handed? Really not that bad. Put the nut on, it works a lot better. This is somewhat forward pitch, you know what I mean? Oh shit. Just thinking put this down to where I can fly it with regular one-handed. Try that. Alrighty.